Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing myself ship out my giveaway winners package. I'll be using USPS flat rate boxes. Specifically, I'll be using the Priority Mail large flat rate box. These USPS free boxes can be shipped right to your door through USPS.com. And I'll make sure I leave all the links in the description box below so that you can get your free boxes mailed right to your door. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. You don't have to weigh the package, but you know, as long as it's under 70 pounds, you can ship it at the cost. My cost was exactly $18.30, which is what USPS said it would be if I used another commercial-based service. I used PayPal. It was $18.30, and then I used signature confirmation to make sure she gets her package. As long as it's 70 pounds or less, you can fit it in here and close the box. They'll ship it at one flat rate. So I got these stickers right here and it says thank you for shopping at, so I'm just gonna add another one on there. I'm gonna tape it up and then put the label right here and then put a sticker right here. I've already made the shipping label and I'm about to print it. I'm really starting to like flat rate boxes. Especially during this time, shipping is a little bit slow. So if you want your customers to get their packages a little bit earlier, I would suggest using flat rate boxes because it's 1 to 3 day shipping, and regular priority mail is 2 to 5. I'm gonna do an extra video on flat rate boxes. It should be up by the time this video goes up, so look at the cards. When you see the cards, then you know the video's up and you can click on it. I've already notified her. She knows she's the winner. She gave me her information and I told her it should get to her within 1 to 3 business days. And I also let her know that I'm gonna ship it out tomorrow, so I'm gonna bring you all along.